Before we get into the details of our new and updated cloud offerings, let's hear a little bit about our cloud strategy, get an executive overview from Pat Gelsinger, the VMware Chief Executive Officer, and Andy Jassy, the AWS CEO.
Thank you, Ray, and thanks to all of you for joining us today. 20 years ago, VMware transformed the data center forever with game-changing innovation that laid the foundation for the cloud. Since then, we've continued to break down barriers for our customers. Today, we are excited to share details on the next major milestone for VMware Cloud. Our strategy with VMware Cloud is simple. Help our customers' IT and business priorities by delivering the ultimate hybrid cloud. We're laser focused on helping customers overcome the complexities of today's multi-cloud world, helping you gain instant value from your investments. The conversation about cloud has shifted significantly. Just a few short years ago, customers were asking us, how can I get to the cloud as fast as possible? They wanted their internal data centers to operate like the public cloud. They want our help orchestrating across multiple private and public clouds and multiple data centers. A true hybrid multi-cloud environment. And they want to manage it all as a single portfolio of services. Before, customers were asking, how can I use cloud to reduce costs? Now, they want our help using cloud to propel their business forward and gain competitive advantage. Before, customers were asking, will my data be safe in the cloud? Now they want our guidance on how to use the cloud to make all their data safer. Above all, what cloud delivers is previously unimaginable scale, enabling you to rapidly add or remove capacity based on your business demand. That unprecedented scale is what positions you for the future. Every cloud investment you make today will have lasting implications for how you build edge services, how you take advantage of machine learning and artificial intelligence, and how you build a winning strategy for the Internet of Things. We've delivered 4 major releases of our VMware Cloud portfolio in the last 6 months. From the initial availability of VMware Cloud Services and VMware Cloud on AWS, to the introduction of new cloud services like Hybrid Cloud Extension, to the steady expansion of our VMware Cloud partner community. What previously would have taken years has been accomplished in months. It's worth noting, just as VMware is changing how customers leverage the cloud, cloud is also changing the way VMware operates. One of the pillars of our cloud strategy is our work with service providers around the globe, which goes back nearly a decade. Today, more than 4,000 service providers offer VMware-based clouds to customers in more than 120 countries as part of our VMware Cloud Provider Program. It's about choice. Our customers have the freedom to choose the cloud infrastructure that best suits their needs, knowing they can deploy on a consistent infrastructure with consistent operations with VMware at the core. Scripps Network Interactive is a great example of a business taking full advantage of VMware Cloud. You may know this company for their great digital properties. Their reach extends all over the world. They're using VMware Cloud on AWS to migrate their data center workloads to the cloud. Having consistent operations makes their IT environment dramatically more efficient and flexible. And with disaster recovery on VMware Cloud, they can protect and run mission-critical applications, scaling up and down as needed without the cost of buying additional systems. VMware and AWS forged an industry-changing partnership 15 months ago. The best of both worlds' relationship is now essential to our cloud strategy. The response from our customers has been overwhelming. We've brought together the recognized leader in private cloud with the recognized leader in public cloud. Today, I'm pleased to announce that we've brought VMware Cloud on AWS to the European market for the first time. Our service is now live in the London data center, and this UK data center will be joined shortly by service availability in Frankfurt, Germany. The European public cloud market is growing fast. In fact, this market is projected to nearly double over the next 4 years. With VMware Cloud on AWS operating in Europe, our customers will get the performance and reduced latency they need. we're also going to satisfy the stringent demands in Europe when it comes to data sovereignty and privacy laws. To share a little more about the significance of this expansion of VMware Cloud on AWS, I'm pleased to introduce Andy Jassy, CEO of AWS. Andy?
Thanks, Pat. I'm incredibly excited about the momentum we've seen for VMware Cloud and AWS since we launched in August. And the collaboration between VMware and AWS, as well as with our customers, has also been really great. And we've really been iterating quickly on behalf of our joint customers. A simple example of that is Adidas has been interested in VMware Cloud and AWS for a while, and they say, please, please, will you bring this to Europe, which we're excited to do today. I think the customer response to the offering has just been amazing. And you see it across every imaginable vertical business segment and workload type. And a couple examples, you can look at Brink's company, which is, of course, the security company that we all know and love. They are using VMware Cloud and AWS to get increased agility and to be able to move workloads back and forth between their private cloud and AWS. A partner that enterprises trust, as well as VMware and AWS trusting, is DXC Technology. And they've announced that they're launching a set of managed services on top of VMware Cloud and AWS. And one of the things that I've been struck by over the last several months is that customers don't want to have to settle for a fraction of the functionality that's out there from the leading providers. They don't want a fraction of the security or a fraction of the performance or a fraction of the capabilities. With VMware Cloud and AWS, you not only get the best functionality in the private cloud, but you also get the best functionality in AWS and the public cloud. And the second thing we hear over and over again from our customers is that they have made a big investment in the VMware software over the last number of years. The vast majority of the world is virtualized on VMware. And they want to be able to leverage that investment and just be able to run those services on the technology infrastructure of AWS. And again, VMware Cloud and AWS is the only offering that allows you to seamlessly do that. And then the third thing that we hear is that they not only want to use the skills they've built up over the last number of years, but they also love the fact that they can use their existing VMware licenses for this offering, and they don't have to buy new hardware to do so. So I'm going to close by saying that I'm really excited about what we're seeing in the market. Really excited by the collaboration between VMware and AWS. Really excited by how quickly we're iterating together, and we're not close to being done working together to allow you to have more functionality in the offering and to run in a hybrid mode for the next number of years easier and easier. Thank you very much.